the trades on the day for Thursday, August 31st, last trading day of the month. Glad to be moving into September. It's a toneless market we've had here in August, and we are still up on the month after today's trade. I'll have the final numbers once I get the statement. So these are from the rounding down from the platform. And down on the day, though, minus 3,400. Just a choppy, toneless day. Down on the week. Had a pretty volatile week on Monday and Tuesday, back and forth. And today's trade reminds me of Monday's trade that was so choppy. Fortunately, it wasn't a minus 11K day. But we know what happened after Monday's trade. There was a huge trend. Tomorrow's Friday. It's first day of the month. And Jobs Friday. And we'll see. It's hard to know if the market's just going to be on holiday trade. Oftentimes before the September is the weakest month of the year historically. Doesn't really mean much to me because the markets are kind of in a new mode since the pandemic and higher interest rates. And historically, though, also going into holidays and going into Labor Day, the market is strong. So we'll see if we get this breakout based on a market that's coy, kind of this coy sideways pattern that we saw on Monday when the market traded the way it traded. And so it's same thing today. Be nice to get a breakout to start the month out strong. These average months are lower than what we've seen historically because the ranges are lower, the VIX is lower, and so we underperformed the hypotheticals today too. Extra slippage, and then the hypothetical end of day drawdown is minus 5,065. We're at minus 5583. We were down so far on the week. Some of these numbers were wrong yesterday. On the drawdown, I have the hypothetical drawdown at 0. It was really minus 2,300. So month to date, up on the month. So always claiming victory there. Live on the up on the quarter and up on the year. 26% on the year, 15% on the quarter. Up on the month about 6.5% based on a 250K portfolio. And I'm looking forward to September's trade. Historically, end of month, first of month were good trading days, and lately it seems like that's inverted. But we'll see if we can get some trend going tomorrow. We have Jobs Friday early, so looking forward to tomorrow's trade. Let's go over the trades on the day. S&P was 2 for 3 strategy on the strategies, and actually up on the day. Tick count trend was a highlight, plus 450. Minus 225 on opening chop. I showed that the micro results did better and were profitable. So there was a difference on the micros that was in the favor of the micros. Tick count trend dynamic turnaround was up on the day, plus 412.50. And 2 for 3 on the S&P. NASDAQ, 2 for 8. Tough market to trade with this sloppy market environment. Seeing it just continues to go. Every time we think the market's about to move, it makes another move in another direction. And we saw, I guess, 450 to 500 points today, back and forth. And I'm going to go over that again. So it seems like not a lot's going on. Let's count the points. On Monday, there was about 600 points. There were about 6 100-point moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today there was 100, 100, 100, maybe about 50, and then about 50, and then about 50 roughly. So 1, 2, 3, 350, 400, 400, 450 points back and forth. The 100-point moves are about 3 100-point moves, and then 3 50-point moves. And on Monday there were about 6 100-point moves. And so it seems dead, like nothing's going to happen, but we know what happened after Monday. And so this could break either way as we go into a holiday on Jobs Friday. So we'll see what happens with the market. Finishing out the E-mini NASDAQ trades, then we'll go over the micros. Minus 530 on Viper. Minus 725 on Gap Continuation. Minus 425 on Robot. And EVP1 was, what was that? Plus 205. Plus 205 on the day. And Tick Long Aggressive was, or Tick Reversal was minus 510. Tick Long Aggressive was minus 765. 147.50 on OPV and Q, and minus 720 on Mag 7. Just a sloppy market that's difficult to trade. Here is the micro trades on the day. Micro NASDAQ minus 53.50, minus 72.50 on gap continuation, minus 42.50 on robot, plus, what number is that? It's hard to read. I wish it would post on the axis. It's plus 21.50, minus 51 on tick reversal, minus 78 on tick long aggressive, plus 12 on OPV, minus 71 on MAG 7, and S&P micro looked like 61.25, so actually a little better than the eminis. There's some extra trades in here, so it did a little better, and there was extra trades on opening chop, so the micros did better here. Plus 31.25. It was a losing day on opening chop E-mini, a winning day on opening chop micro for the S&P and tick count trend dynamic turnaround. Plus 41.25. So the micros did a little better than the E-minis on the day, and those are the trades on the day. Let's go over the equity curve. So it started out profitable, and it just had to come back and take out that low again, or didn't quite take out the low, but it took out robot. It just has a way of always taking out that robot trade lately, and so typically it does it faster. It took half the day to do it, but the market made sure it took out robot, hit the stop loss on robot. As you can see here, it gets annoying to see those kind of trades, to get your stop hit right at the turning point on a lot of trades on this. So the market has it out for robot right now, but it goes in cycles, so we continue to hold it because we have a tight stop on that. And so once again, here's the money management algorithm indicators. You can see the back and forth longs and shorts. S&P mainly short, NASDAQ mainly long, and these are the final trades on the day for Thursday, August 31st, 2023, going into September with a winning month for August. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.